Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to our Forex Trading Live session. My name is Leo, and I remain your guide. So, like I said yesterday, our live session is now segmented into two. Okay. We have the afternoon session and then the evening session. So the afternoon session is going to be for live trading. Okay. So we'll make analysis and then place trade. While the evening session is going to be for the newbies that want to learn how to trade the forex market profitably. Okay. So if you want to learn how to trade the forex market, the evening session is for you. Okay. So, but before we go into today's business, I want to remind you guys, okay, about our premium um, group. So if you get into the premium group, you'll be getting market reports, free signals per day, okay? So that you can start making money while you are also learning how to trade the financial market, okay? And you can start depositing right now, because for you to be qualified to get into the group, you need to have at least $15 in your account. You need to deposit in this live session. As I'm telling you right now, you need to deposit using the live session. If you don't deposit using the live session, you will not be qualified. Okay, so for you to get qualified, you need to start depositing using the live session right now. Just go to the chat room. You see the deposit banner. Okay, so click on the deposit banner and deposit at least $15. So when you deposit $15, you are going to be qualified to get into the premium group. Okay, I hope I'm making myself clear. Okay, so let's get into the business for today. Before I go into what we have in stock for today, I want to show you something from yesterday. Okay, I want to show you guys something from yesterday. Sorry, guys, just a moment, please. Okay. Just a moment, guys. Okay, guys, let's continue. Sorry about that. So, what I want to show you is a trade from yesterday. Okay, I want to show you because I have an important information to pass on from yesterday's trade. Yeah, the one we lost yesterday. Okay. Okay, so let me just bring it out. So yesterday we placed the trade on Euro JPY. Sorry, guys. Just a moment, please. Sorry, guys. Just a moment. Okay, sorry guys, sorry about that. So sorry, so sorry. Um, so I want to show you a trade from yesterday. Okay, I want to show you what happened. So I hope you can see my screen very well. Um, okay, so this is the trade we took yesterday, Euro JPY. Okay, I'm sure we all remember the trade we took. This is Euro JPY. So we took the trade yesterday, predicting that the market is going to go down. Okay, so let's say this was our entry. Okay, let me try um, making it a landscape view. Okay, so this is the landscape, and let me just mark out where we took the trade from yesterday, because I want to pass an important information. Remember yesterday I said something. I said when you are sure of what you are doing, you don't have to be scared. Okay, so forex is like that. You see, sometimes we make our analysis and then it just breaks out and then continue to where it's supposed to be. Yesterday I said I'm very comfortable with what I did because I know what I did. Okay, and I'm very comfortable with it. So my analysis was telling me that the market was going to go down, but just keep juggling around where the resistance was. Okay, but later I found out that it was just a liquidity in the market. Okay, so there's what we call a liquidity. The big boys, they're trying to drag the price around themselves. Okay, between themselves. So when this is happening, it's not a manipulation per se. Okay, because I know some will say it's a manipulation. It is manipulation that is causing the market to go up and down or to stay in one direction. No, it's not manipulation. It is called a liquidity. Okay. So when the market is in a liquid situation, there won't be a good decision. Okay. So the market might just take out your stop loss and then continue to go on the buy on the sell side, okay, or on the buy side. So and that is exactly what happened to our trade yesterday. Come on, why is this thing not dragging? That was what happened to our trade yesterday. Sorry guys, I just want this thing to um I want to draw that box on it, okay? I don't know why my app is not responding, but please just hold on a bit, okay? It is very, very important that I show you guys, okay? Because the market later came our way. The exact place I predicted the market was going to go. I said the market is going to go down. If you are on this live session yesterday, you would remember what I said. And then I said I was very comfortable that the market will go down. It's in a downtrend market. Okay. So the market came down. But before it got down, before the market started going down, it took us out of the market. Okay. It took us out of the market. So, and that is what I want you guys to see. Okay. I want you to understand that as a Forex trader, you won't win all of your trades. Okay. And just because you didn't win some of your trade doesn't mean that you are not good at what you do. Okay. It just means that sometimes the market will play out different than you've, speculated. And what happened was is what I want to show you guys, but this thing just keeps hanging. Okay, so maybe we should leave this and go to our main business for today. Okay. Okay, so let me just restart the app because I don't know why it's hanging, just keep hanging every time. Okay, so it's restarting now. Let me show you the trade we took today. Okay, so as I've explained earlier, the Euro JPY, okay, so that was what happened yesterday. Okay, we predicted that the market was going to go down, okay, from this zone, which is this zone. We drew the zone like this yesterday, but it just went like I think about 5 pip up, okay, took us out of the market, then started to go down. Okay, so yesterday I could have said, let's increase our stop loss. Yeah, I could have said let's increase our stop loss, but in forex market, you can't actually say what is going to happen when the support or the resistance gets broken. Okay, so it is very, 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 very important. As far as you've made your analysis and you already have a direction, maybe a downtrend or a downtrend or an uptrend. Okay, do not change your mind. Don't ever increase your stop loss. Wherever your stop loss is, make sure you are setting a stop loss at a point that you know the market cannot get to. What I mean by cannot get to is a point to where the last maybe the last high, in case you want to sell, the last high, this here is a high. Okay, this is a high because this is where the market got to. When it got to this zone, the market never broke it. Okay, it will only break it when this current market start to go up. Okay, when it gets here and go above this zone, then we say we have a new high. But as of this moment, this is the high. Okay, this is the high. Now if you want to set a stop loss, you have to set it just a little bit above the high. Okay, so if you set your stop loss a little bit above the high and then the market comes to take it out, don't bother, just leave that trade and go to another trade. Look for another setup. Okay, because most of the time it will break it. Maybe God just want to save you. Okay, maybe God want to save you, and then when it got broken, you lose a little amount of money. Then, with your agidi, you rush back into the trade again. Then you are going to lose even much more than you've lost before. Okay, so it is very important. So now let's go to the trade we took today. The trade we took today. Don't worry, guys. I'm still looking for opportunities. Okay, so when I see, we are going to place an order. Okay. Come on. Okay. So look at these results here. Okay, look at this result. You see, I told you this is the trade from yesterday. This is Euro JPY. Okay, this is Euro JPY. You see, I told you it is not always a win. Okay, it is not always a win. There will be losses, but the most important thing is count my winnings. This is one, this is two, this is three. Okay, and I have another one here. This is four. Let me just take this out so that you see it clearly. Okay, so this I think we took 5 trades together already. We have 5 trades here. Okay, we have one, we have two. Sorry, let me close this. Okay, we have one, two, three, four, and five. Okay, we have five trade and we lost one. Okay, we lose this. This is from yesterday, Euro JPY. This is today. Okay, this is the trade from today. I closed this trade just before our live session. Okay, when I dropped this trade, I actually set a sell limit to it. Okay, I set my sell limit. Then when the market got to that point, it executed, and that was when I called it on the group that you should sell also. Okay, so sorry, let me just go back and show you something. Okay. Okay. So for you that hasn't made deposit, you see we are already making profit. Okay, we are already making profit. If you calculate all of this here right now, you know how much this is in naira. Okay, so like I said, in forex market, in forex trading, there's no rush. Okay, so you make your money gradually. Okay, it's a gradual process. Some days will come that you make more, some days you make lesser, and even some days you lose, but it's fine. Okay, so, and the reason why I keep taking short trade like this, making small amount of money, is because of you that is new to the forex market. Okay, maybe you are having just $20, $15. Okay, you want to start, and you maybe you are scared. I'm going to lose. The money is very small. I don't know. I'm just going to lose everything. See, if you are depositing $15, let's say you have $15 in your account right now, and you are in the premium channel. This is what you'll be making. Okay, just take a look at these guys. This is what you'll be making. This is almost $4. Okay, I'm sure you know how much a dollar is in Nigerian currency right now. Okay, look at this. We have another almost $4 here. We have $1. We have $1. Okay, I think this is almost $8 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you see, this is almost $8. This is 7.97. Just 3 cents to make it $8. Now, if you have $8 in your account, just imagine how much you have. Okay, imagine you are making this, and I'm only doing this because of people that has below $100. Okay, that is why I'm taking this usual trade. So this is a way of me encouraging you that nothing is impossible. Just because you have $20, you have $15 doesn't mean that you can't make money. You will make money. Okay, and this account will keep increasing. It will keep increasing. So the way I target my account is I don't make withdrawals every day. What I do is I'm a weekly withdrawal person. Okay, so I make my own withdrawals every week. I want to stay in the market. I want to see. I want to accumulate my profits together. Okay, I want to accumulate my profit together so that by the end of the week, I'm going to withdraw the amount that I wish to take out of it, and I still leave the remaining one to trade with. Okay, and that is how investment works. Okay, guys. So, and for you to start getting, this kind of result, just deposit up to $15 in your account. This is not even hard. Okay, just $15. The $15 you are depositing is not for me. But if you want to make a deposit, make sure you are depositing in this live session. Okay, if you are not making this deposit with me in this live session, you are not going to be qualified. Let me just tell you the fact. Okay, so if you want me to add you to my own premium channel right now, deposit in this live session. So on the chat room, you see that banner that says deposit. Click on that banner. Click on it. It will take you straight to where you can deposit your money. Okay. So please, guys, make sure you deposit. Now let's go into the market and see what is going on. Let's see if we can get an opportunity to trade. Okay. So go and deposit and start making this profit. These are profits. Okay, these are profits, and these are good profits. So imagine I'm opening, maybe I'm taking, let's say, 2 positions, 3 positions. Imagine how much I could have made by now. So that's it, guys. Please, Nigeria is very hard for all of us right now. So one stream of income is not even enough anymore. Okay, I know how hard it is. So what I'm doing here is I'm not even asking you to pay for the premium channel. I'm telling you, put the money in your account, but you have to do it right now. Right now, you have to do it in the live session, in this live stream. You have to do it now. Deposit and start making money. So that by Friday, Saturday, you can just withdraw your money and go and flange or go and enjoy yourself. Do anything you want. Do anyhow you want. Okay. So let's go to the market and see if we can get an entry. Then that is why we are here. Okay, let's see if we can get an entry to trade. I think we've been trade. Let me see if we can get an opportunity from another asset that is different from forex, the forex market. Okay, so let's go to crypto. Let's go to crypto, guys, because I know some of us are still wondering. Me, I want to be trading crypto, and this guy is not even saying anything about crypto. Is this app only for forex? No. We had the BtcDana app. They have so many assets. Okay, they have the forex assets, they have the crypto, they have the metal indices, stock. You just name it. Okay, but I love to stick to the ones that I love, which is the forex market. Okay, they are very liquid, and the opportunities there are massive. Okay, compared to the crypto. I'm not saying opportunities in cryptos are not massive. Also, they have their own opportunities, but not as much as the forex market. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what is going on in ETC USD. Okay, you see, this is one thing that makes me not to trade the cryptocurrencies. Okay, they are always in consolidation. Their movements, in a week, they could just move like 2 or 3 times in a week. Okay, which is it creates a very short opportunity for you as a trader. Okay, it creates a very short opportunity for you as a trader. And I know all of us here, we want to make money. Okay, so we want something that will come and work for us very fast. That is why I love trading the forex assets. I love trading the currencies. Okay, so let's go back and look for another one. I just hope the other ones are not in consolidation like this one. Let's go back. So let's go to BTC USDT. Yeah, BTC USDT. Let's use this one. BTC USDT. You see what I'm talking about? These are consolidations. You see, the market has been consolidating for a very long time. Look at it here. Starting from this zone, starting from this point to this point, the market has been consolidating, and this is 4-hour time frame. If you calculate these 4 hours now, this is this is not even a day thing. Okay, this is like 2 3 days. This is like 2 3 days. Okay, so the market has been in one direction for more than 2 days now. Okay, and this is not good for a forex trader. If you see something like this, I'm sure you remember from my previous video, our previous session, I said if you see something like this, run away from it. Okay, this isn't a good opportunity to trade. If you want to trade this, it is very risky. Okay, so I think we should just stick to our forex for now. Any day that the crypto assets they have any good opportunity or good entry, then we can trade it. Okay, but for now, let's look for I don't even know the one to trade. Okay, so maybe since you are watching this video, and just choose anyone you want us to analyze. Okay, oh, yeah, sharp, 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 sharp. Leave it in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section. Which one do you want us to analyze? There are so many opportunities in the forex market. Just choose anyone you want us to analyze. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Just choose anyone. So whichever one has the highest vote is the one that I'm going to open, and then we are going to analyze from there. Oh yeah, guys, let's go. Okay. So I'm seeing USD JPY. Okay, guys, I love that. I'm seeing CAD JPY. That is Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. That's good. Okay. There's no problem. We can always take a look at everything. Okay, I see USD CHF. Okay. I see everybody has their own pairs in mind. Okay, GBP, JPY, that's good. Okay, so I need more vote. So everything here now is they are just different. They are different pairs. Okay, so I want to see people supporting this. Which one should we trade? Is it the CAD JPY, Euro AUD, USD CHF, GBP JPY? Which one are you guys going for? Then we open the market and analyze together. Okay. So let's see if the opportunity is there for us to trade. Okay. Somebody's already supporting. Oh, that's NZD CAD. Okay. Then another person said Euro JPY. Okay. I think Euro JPY already gotten two already. Okay, still one. Okay. So I'm looking for somebody that is supporting another currency, okay? That is supporting the same currency. Okay. Euro USD. Don't worry, we have a lot of assets. We have long way to go together, okay? Don't worry. Keep it coming, guys. So I'm seeing different assets here right now. So everybody wants us to trade different assets. But the time is not going to permit us. So I need you guys to make a decision from all of these that you've mentioned. Okay. So you already said CAD JPY, Euro AUD, USD CHF, GBP JPY, USD JPY, NZD CAD, Euro JPY, Euro USD. That is good. Okay, so Euro USD is winning. Euro USD is winning. I see. Okay, I think we should go to Euro USD since we already have the winning pair. Now let's go to the Euro USD. Euro USD. So I have my own Euro USD here. You know how to search for yours, right? So I just click on it. Click on Euro USD and let's see what is going on in the market. Euro USD. Let's see what is going on in the Euro USD market. Mind you, if you are still on the XAU USD, which is the gold trade, okay, that was posted in the group earlier. If you are still on that trade, I'll advise you to close now. Okay, the market is already at TP level, but start closing now. Okay, greediness is not good. Start closing now. Start closing your positions. You've made enough profit already. As you can see, I closed my own at almost $4. Okay, so I didn't even allow it to get to that place. I'm a fast trader. I'm a sharp guy. You see, I love to make my money very sharp and get out of the market. I don't want the market to hold me down. So USDJPY, sorry, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see what is going on in Euro USD. Just a second, guys. Let's see what is going on in Euro USD. Let's see what is going on in the Euro USD. Okay. So on the Euro USD, this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So on Euro USD, the market seems to be changing direction. Okay. So if you have little experience in forex trading, you know what I'm talking about. The forex is trying to change direction. Okay. Let me show you why I said the market is trying to change direction. Let me go to. You see, I would have loved to um, keep this up on landscape, but every time I try the landscape, it just gets quit. Okay, it's quitting on me. I don't know why. So I think I should just leave it here. So the market is trying to change direction. That is Euro USD. The market is trying to change direction because it's been creating lower lows. If you are on your 4-hour time frame, let's go to the 4-hour time frame so that we can see the market better. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And I think our opportunity for buy is going to come in very soon, because the way I'm seeing the market right now, I'm on 1-hour time frame and I'm seeing a buying opportunity. Okay, because the market is rejecting the zone already. So on Euro USD, look at this. This is a high. Okay, this is a lower high. Okay, why is this a lower high? Because it broke this lower low. Okay, we have a high here, we have a low, we have another higher low, we have another lower low, a higher low, and another lower low. Okay, so for you to know that the market is changing direction, we actually want to see another lower low. Okay, another high, then another low. But instead, the market never created another low. Okay, aside this low, this market never created any other low. So what does that say? This is a high, this is a low. Now this high got violated. Okay, it got broken. It broke it to the top. Now what this means is our market is changing direction. Okay, and when market is changing direction, we as a trader, what are we looking for? We want to start opening opportunities. Okay, we want to start placing orders. So let's just wait for what the market wants to do, and then we are going to see if we should go into the market. So for now, let's just stay and see what is going on. Okay. I'm seeing a buy. I'm seeing a buy already, but I need more confirmation. You understand? I need more confirmation. I don't want to go into a trade that is going to take us out of the market. Okay. So let's just wait for another confirmation to see if we can start buying. Let's wait for another confirmation to see if we can start buying. Okay. So the market is trying to mitigate the previous support. Okay. It's trying to mitigate the previous support. So what I mean by mitigate is it created this support down below before. This support right here. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. I don't want to put it on landscape mode so that the thing won't keep hanging again. Okay. I don't know why that is happening, but we just have to be careful. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour time frame, wait, just give this a moment. Okay, so in any moment from now, I'm going to place a buy trade on Euro USD. Okay, but let's just wait a bit to see if we get a rejection. Let's just wait a bit to see if we get a rejection. Okay, we don't want to enter a trade that is going to take us out. Okay, okay, okay. I don't know why my chart is failing to load because I can see clearly that the market is in bullish from the 1 hour time frame. It's bearish rather. It's bearish. So I want to see if we can have a sharp entry. I want to see if we can get a sharp entry. And guys, please, anytime I say buy, always make sure you are protecting your capital. What I mean by protecting your capital is make sure you are opening the trade with a little lot size. Okay, don't risk too much. Most especially for you that has you know, that doesn't have up to, maybe you are having just like around, say, 10, 15, $20. Okay, so you don't want to risk too much. So always risk what you can afford to lose. Okay, always risk what you can afford to lose. We are here to make profit, not to gather losses. Okay, and in order for us to make profit, what do we need? We need to trade wisely. So let's just wait for the reversal and then I call the trade. Okay, let's wait for the reversal. The market is already at a zone. It's already at that zone. All we need is just a confirmation. Okay. I'm just trying to be careful here, guys. Okay, the movement to the zone is too sharp. Okay, the movement to our zone here is too sharp, and when the movement is too sharp, I we want to be very, very, very careful because the market can just go below, take us out, then start going back. Okay, and we don't want that. So I'm looking for a rejection. So once I get rejection, we are taking the trade. Shout out to those of you that said we should trade Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is providing us opportunity already. I'm seeing the opportunity, just that it is not yet time to execute it. We are waiting for the entry. We are waiting for the entry. Okay. The market has been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay. So let's wait and see if our market is truly reversing or this is another retest. Okay. So on our 1 hour time frame, the market already created a change of character. So what I mean by change of character is a reversal. Okay, it's showing me because the previous higher low was violated. Okay, and what did I say about violation of a higher low? When a high is violated, that means the market is changing direction. Okay, so this movement to the downside now looks like it wants to retest our previous support. Okay, if the market has truly truly wants to change direction, is going to retest a previous support or a previous resistance, okay, before it keeps going direction that it has reversed to. Okay, but for now, let's just keep calm, guys. Let's keep calm and see what is going to happen next. And in the process of waiting, if you haven't made your deposit, guys, please, this is your chance. Okay, we already have a trade we are waiting on. Okay, we already have a trade we are waiting on. You guys voted for Euro USD. Now we are on Euro USD. Okay, we are waiting on it to give us that opportunity. We can even go long here, guys. We can go long. Okay. Okay. So this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay. You see, the market is still going down. Let's see what is going to happen next. Let's see what is going to happen next. There was a sharp movement to the downside. Okay. Now the sharp movement is why we are waiting. So we are waiting. We don't want to set a stop, a sell limit. Okay, sorry, a buy limit rather. We don't want to set a buy limit that is gonna get taken out. So let's just wait and see if we are gonna get a rejection. Once we get a rejection, we are going in into the market straightforward. Okay. And while we are waiting, if you haven't made your deposit, let me remind you for the last time, go and make your deposit. Okay, deposit at least $15. Deposit so that you can make money from this live session also. Okay, and then make sure you're depositing up to $15 so that you'll be qualified to get into my premium group. Okay, I already told you the benefit of getting into the premium group. When you get there, you'll be getting free signals every day. Okay, free signals that you can start making money with. You don't even need to know anything. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is just set your notification. So when the signals come in, you just place it. Okay, place it and go and sleep because there will be stop loss and take profit. So when you wake up, you will definitely be seeing profits. Okay, trust me. So go and deposit, guys. Deposit using that banner. Okay, on the chat room. Deposit using that banner. You see that deposit. Okay, just click on it and you take you straight to where you can make your deposit. So we are still waiting on our Euro USD. So congratulations to those that traded the XAU USD. Our market hit our TP. Okay, our market hit our TP and it's still going down. We don't just want to be too greedy. Sometimes you have to follow your mind. Okay, so when your mind is telling you get out of the market, just run out of the market. If you are seeing profit, for me, when I'm seeing profit, I don't want to stay too long. Okay, why am I trading forex if not to make profit? So when I'm seeing profit, no matter how little it is, I will take the profit and go away from it and go away from the market. Okay, relax and look for another trade, look for another setup. Okay, the market is there, it's not running away. Monday to Friday, forex is operating. Okay, and then the crypto pairs, they are operating every day, 24/7, Monday to Sundays, every time, every day. Okay, that is for the cryptos. Okay, I see somebody is asking if we can sell in the direction of the market since it's going down. You see, if the market is going down, we don't really know why it's going down. Okay, all we know is that the market is going down, is going down. But there's what we call risk management. Okay, we know we can just see we can see the market is going down. Now, if you are selling, you are putting your account at risk. Why I say you are putting it at risk is because you have to protect. You know, remember I said you have to, whichever or whatever asset you are trading, you have to protect your capital. Now, for you to protect your capital, there's what we call stop loss. Okay, because you don't want to go into the market without setting a stop loss. If you go into the market without setting a stop loss, two things are going to happen. It's either you are going to lose the trade or you are going to blow your account. Okay. So what I mean by blowing of account is you are going to lose all of your money. This market is selling right now. But if I should say, okay, well, the market is selling now, let's just place a sell trade. It might just start reversing because since we are still on that zone, it might just start reversing and start going up. Okay. And when it is going up, there's no near resistance zone that we can place our stop loss. So that can easily liquidate our account and make us lose all of our funds. Okay. So when you are trading the forex market, you want to be very, very, very careful. You want to be so careful so that when you are setting your stop loss, when you are getting into a trade, you want to take that trade from a resistance zone, okay, or a support zone. And when the market get into those zone, you want to place your stop loss below or above. Okay, it depends on where you are entering from. If you are taking a sell trade, which means your stop loss is going to be above your resistance zone. And if you are placing a buy trade, your stop loss is going to be below your support zone. Okay. So in this kind of trade now, what we do is, since the market is selling and we have our support zone, we are going to wait for the market to break the support zone. Okay. So when it breaks the support zone, we want to see a confirmation before we go for a sell. I hope you get my point now. Okay. So everything is patience. Everything in forex is patience. You don't want to rush things. Okay. So for you that trade gold with me, I say congratulations again. Okay, said it before, our trade has hit CP. Okay, so the small account is what I showed you the other time. My big account is floating in profit. Okay, it's floating in profit. So if you took the trade, congratulations to you. You just made yourself few dollars. Okay, and that is why it is important you deposit up to $15. Deposit up to $15 so that you can be qualified to be in the premium group. The premium group, as I've said, you are going to be getting free signals. So it's not just going to be on the live session. Because very soon now I'm going to stop giving signals on live session. Okay, and the reason why I'm still doing this right now is because of I'm just trying to encourage you guys. Okay, I'm trying to encourage you guys. So very soon I'm going to stop giving signals, free signals on live session. So we are just going to be concentrating on just the premium group. Okay, and if you are lucky enough to be on the premium group before we stop giving signal on the live session, you will continue making money. Okay, just imagine maybe just setting your alarm and making money every time. You don't even have to work, you don't have to do anything. You are not making analysis. Okay, all you need to know is how to play straight and you are making money. I don't think there's anything better than that. Okay, I mean, if I have such opportunity, I'll rush into it. If I have such opportunity, I'll rush into it. Because now everybody loves making money without having to work hard. You are not doing any wahala. You are not running into trouble. You are not doing any harm. I don't have light, or I don't even have the time. If you are a trader, you are an entrepreneur, you are a government worker or a private sector worker, you don't need to be coming into a chat every time. I will be the one doing it. So all you have to do is just set your alert, okay? Be on Telegram. So the market just broke out, okay? The market just broke out. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's wait and see if Euro USD will keep going down or this is just a fake out. In Forex, there's what we call a fake out. Most of us will say, how do we call it? Some people call it trap zones. Okay, some call it trap zone or they call it the manipulation. Okay, so this could be a trap zone where they want to trap the seller. Okay, so some people will start selling from this angle right now, thinking that the market will continue to go down. Then the market will just reverse on them. Okay, and we don't want such. Okay, we don't want the market to reverse on us. All we want is a perfect entry. And to get that perfect entry, you need patience. Okay? So I'm not a 1 minute trader or a 3 minute trader or even a 5 minute trader. I love trading on the 15-minute time frame. Okay? So I make my analysis from the 4 hour down to 1 hour, then 30 minutes, and then I place my trade within the 15 minutes because I want to get a sniper entry. So what I mean by sniper entry, in case you don't know what a sniper entry means, is a sharp entry. Okay, that particular place that the market is reversing. I don't want to wait for few candles where I will have to be setting a long stop loss. Okay, I want to risk very small. I want to risk very little to make a big profit. Okay, and that is why my entries are always very sharp. My entries are always very sharp. So in case you're just joining us, we are waiting on Euro USD to see what is going to happen. Okay, we are waiting on Euro USD. We already took profit on FA Euro USD. That's our goal. Okay, so we are waiting on Euro USD. Our Euro USD just broke down. Okay, it just broke out. So while we wait for our Euro USD, since other people, there are other people that voted for other pairs, I think we should go for another pair and see if we can get another opportunity. Okay, we'll come back to Euro USD later to see what is going on. So let's go to, let's say, okay, so let's go for another pair. Let's just go back a bit and go for another pair. Okay, I see somebody is saying New Zealand against Canadian dollar. Somebody is saying we should check New Zealand dollar against Canadian dollar. Okay, so let's go back. Do I even have it here? Okay, let's just search. Let's search for NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Okay. I think I like the pet also. Let me just add it to my list. So you can just add it to your list using this star. Okay. You can add it to your list so that next time you don't have to be searching it all over again. New Zealand dollar. Let's see what is going on there. New Zealand dollar. Let's see what is going on there. So you see, I've already saved it in my list earlier. This is it, NZBtcDana. So let me just click on it and see how far and what is going on in the market. Okay, okay. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay, so on NZDCAD, we have a change of character also. So let me just go to my 4 hour time frame and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so as you can see, we have we have a support zone. We have a support zone here. Okay, so a support zone. This support zone was violated actually because it created another low. Okay, and in the forex market, in the ICT strategy rather, we call it liquidity. Okay, so it actually we have a buy side liquidity, a sell side liquidity. Okay, so because he took out this low. Okay, and anytime a market took out a low, it is either a break of structure or a liquidity. So what I mean by a break of structure is, you remember I said when we have a low, we have a high. Okay, so until a high is violated, it is not a change of market. Okay, so that means the market is not yet reversing. But if we have a violation of either a low or a high, we have a change in market direction. Okay, and in the situation of NZDCAD right now, we have a change in market direction. Okay, we have a change in market direction, and what we are waiting for is for our market. I think we can actually set a buy limit. Okay, we can actually set a buy limit because this is a good trade. Please, for you that said NZDCAD, thank you very much. Okay, you've just provided us another opportunity for entry. Okay, you don't want us to go from this live session blank. That is very good. You did well. You did well. Okay, so we are going to set a buy limit. Okay, because I'm very sure the market is going to get triggered. But just wait. Let me just see something here. We are getting a change of direction in NZDCAD, guys. So we are going to set a buy limit. We are going to sell a buy limit because we want to go long. Okay, we are going to set a buy limit because we want to go long. Okay, so let me just get where our buy limit is going to be, and then I'll communicate it to you guys. Okay. signals. Okay, so for our NZDCAD, let's set a buy limit. Let's set a buy limit. Uh, just a bit, just a little more moment, just a bit, just a bit. So let's set a buy limit at NZDCAD buy limit. So just click on your buy. Click on your buy and then come to pending order. You see this, yeah, in case you don't know how to do this, we are setting a buy limit. Okay, and what I mean by buy limit is when the market gets to that point, it's going to trigger. Okay, it's going to get executed. Okay, this is a later market. Okay, because we don't want to go home blank. Okay, we don't want to go home without making anything out of this market, without making anything out of this live stream. That is why I want to play it, because it is a very good market. For you that said we should go and look at New Zealand CAD, you did well, seriously. This is a very good market. So now click on your buy and then you see position and then pending order. Okay, so now click on pending order. We have position, we have pending order. Click on pending order. Click on pending order. So now that you've clicked on pending order, the entry price, where it wrote enter price, enter, then price, click on it, and enter 0.800. Let me start again. 0.80043. Okay, that is our entry price. That is where we want our market to get executed from. Okay, that is 0.80043. Now let's set our stop loss and take profit. You see this button right here just below the our entry price. Okay, where it says SL/TP. That is our stop loss and take profit. Okay, because we want to protect our capital. So now click on the button. You see, when I click mine, it pop up more options. Okay, so now on the SL, where it says SL, click on the plus icon on the far right. Okay, where it says SL, click on the plus icon. Now when you click on it, it's going to display some numbers. So let me just click on mine and show you what I'm talking about. So now these numbers here, this is for stop loss. Okay, so now edit these numbers, clean the numbers and enter 0. Okay, so for you that haven't started yours, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, this is a buy limit order. Okay, so no rush, no rush. After this, we can even still look for more buy limit or sell limits. Okay, okay, so our SL is 0.7985. So let me repeat it in case you can't see my screen very well. You can't see clearly. It's 0.7985. Okay. Then our TP, which is our take profit. Now let's set our take profit to click on the take profit, click on the plus icon again. Okay. Now edit the numbers on the take profit. Let's edit it. Let's edit them. Now enter 0.8068 9. Okay, I hope you've entered yours. This is a very good trade, guy. This is a very good trade, and it's going to get executed. Trust me, you are going to make profit from this trade. So set your buy limit, click on buy, then come to pending order. Okay, when you come to pending order, click on enter price. So the price we want our market to get triggered from, where we want it to get executed from, is 0.80043. 0.80043. Now come to this SL, okay, where it says SL and TP, SL/TP. Click on this button in front of it. Click on the button. So when you click on the button, it's going to bring out more options. That is your SL and your TP options. Okay, that is where you can edit your TP and your SL. Now on the SL, enter 0.7989.5. That is your SL. That is your stop loss. Okay. Now for the TP, which is our take profit, enter 0.80689. Let me repeat the TP and stop loss once more. Stop loss, which is the SL, the first one, 0.79895. Then our take profit, 0.80. Take profit 0.80689. Now click on buy. Okay, click on buy. You see, pending order played successfully. Pending order played successfully. Okay, so you can come to check order here and check your order. You see, we have a pending order. You see, we have a pending order. Okay, so when the market gets to that point, it's going to get executed. Okay, and make sure you are checking the market. Okay, so that when it get executed, when you are okay with your profit, you can go out of the market. Okay, it's not necessarily you wait for the market to get to the TP. Okay, it's not necessarily you wait for the market to get to the TP. Sometimes I don't wait for my market to get to to my TP. Okay, and the reason is because the market can just decide to change direction. Okay, maybe there's a little, I don't want to be seeing $15 or even $50. Then when I just leave the market for a while, maybe I want to be a little bit greedy, I want it to get to maybe say $80. Then the next moment I'm seeing my market dropping down to $20. I don't like such. Okay, so what I do is I have targets. Sometimes I place my take profit around maybe say $100. Okay, so when the market is getting close to around maybe $50 to $60, I start closing my trades. And I'll advise you to do that also. Okay. So now we have a pending order. Let's go to the market and look for another opportunity. Let's see if we can get another trade. Okay. Let's go to the market and see if we can get another trade. Guys, let me remind you again, okay? If you haven't fund your account, now is your chance. Go and fund your account, okay? Go and fund your account and place this buy limit now. Fund your account with at least $15, okay, so that you can be qualified to get into the premium group. Now, the benefit of the premium group is you'll be getting daily signals like this, okay? It doesn't have to be on the live stream every time, okay? Because very soon I'm going to stop giving free signals on the live stream. So I'm going to be concentrating on the premium group, okay? The people in the premium group are those that are going to be benefiting from the signals, okay? So it's not going to be live here anymore. We'll still be holding this live stream, but it's going to be for the newbies, okay? It's going to be for the newbies. So if you want to have that privilege of receiving more signals, deposit $15 in your BtcDana application. The money you are depositing is not for me, okay? The money you are depositing is not for me, it's for you. So let's go back to our Euro USD and see what is going on there, okay? Let's go back to our Euro USD and see if our market is starting to give us the opportunity that we want before we go taking our orders. Okay, so on the Euro USD, let me come to the 1 hour so that you see it more clearly. Okay? So there's no retest yet. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So on my chart, there's no clear retest yet, okay? And I wouldn't advise to take a trade without a retest, okay? So the market can keep going down, but let's just leave it to go down, okay? Trust me, let's just leave it to go down. It's a downtrend market, okay? So the only time that I'll advise you to go for an opportunity is if you see a clear retest. Now, what I mean by a retest is you want to draw out your support zone or your resistance zone. Okay, you want to draw out your support or your resistance zones. Now, when you see the market coming back to those zones, when the Euro USD market go back to the zone and create a rejection, that is where you want to place your trade. That is where you want to get into the market from. Okay? But for now, there's no clear opportunity. Trust me guys, there's no clear opportunity. We don't want to be sentiment. Okay? When you are sentimental when it comes to um, placing a trade or taking a trade from a particular currency pair, it's going to cause problem for you. Okay? So don't just follow your mind. Okay? Follow your head. Don't follow your mind. Don't follow your mind. If your mind is telling you, I think it's going to go up or I think it's going to go down, don't follow it. Oh, follow your head. What is in your head is what you are seeing, what the market is doing. So if your head is telling you, wow, my analysis is telling me this market is going to go up, go with up. Okay, go with buy. So after your technical analysis, if your market is telling you the market is going to sell, go for sell. Okay, and don't jump into trade in the middle of a market movement. Now on our Euro USD, we are in the middle of a market movement. Okay, so we don't want to jump into such trades. Okay, we don't want to jump into such trade. A market that is already moving. You didn't take it from the top, that is from the peak. So it is very bad if you just jump into such trade. You might just lose all of your money, all your investment. You lose everything in a second. Okay, so when you want to place a trade in any currency pair or in forex generally, you have to be very careful. Okay, and I've made everything easy for you guys. You don't even need to be doing all of this analysis. All you have to do is deposit at least $15 in your BtcDana application. Okay, deposit at least $15. When you deposit the $15, it's going to qualify you to get into the premium group. Now, when you get into the premium group, you get these kind of signals. Okay, so it doesn't have to be, on this live, we won't be seeing much opportunities every time. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, the opportunities will be very limited. But when you are on the premium group, morning till evening, you'll be getting signals. Say 2 or 3 signals, premium signals in a day. Just imagine how much you can make with 2 or 3 signals in a day. Not one, two or three. 2 or 3 signals in a day. Just imagine how much you can make with that. And the most important thing is we go home daily with profit. Okay? The most important thing is for us to go home daily with profit. Nobody likes seeing negative. So while we wait for another opportunity, okay, so while we wait on our Euro USD, or rather, I think we can go for another pair and see what is going on. Let's go and look at another pair. Let's look at, um, let's look at USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY and see what is going on there. Let's look at USD JPY. If you were with us yesterday, if you were here yesterday on this live stream, yesterday I was saying the market is in downtrend, okay, but I was looking for a good opportunity before we can start selling on USD JPY. If you were here yesterday, you will remember I said it was going to go down. The market actually came down. Okay, it actually came down, but it was after our live session. Okay, it was after our live session. So now what I'm seeing here is it wants to provide us with another, because the market is already on the downtrend, which is on the selling side. So what we want to do now is we want to see a candle mitigating our previous resistance. Okay, now this is a resistance here. Okay, this is a resistance zone. This resistance zone has already been mitigated. Okay, it has already been mitigated. So this is a breakout here. Okay, this is a break of structure. We call this a break of structure. Remember when I said a break of structure is when a market breaks a low or a high. Okay, so the market has been creating lower low. Okay, it's creating lower low. Don't mistake a break of structure and change of character. A change of character is when your market, okay, take for example, this is a lower low. You see, this is a high, this is a low, this is another high, this is another low. So it's creating higher low and lower lows. Okay, so when the market comes a little bit up and goes down to break the recent lower low, okay, we call that the recent lower low, we call that a break of structure. Okay, but since it's a downtrend, if it comes back to break our lower high, then it is a change of character. That means the market wants to reverse. Okay, but for now it's creating a break of structure. That means it's breaking the structures down. Okay, so what we want to wait for now is a mitigation of the previous higher low. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so we have a high here. We have a high here. I think this market is already going down because this is a high, this is a high, this is a lower high. Okay, this is another high, but it is lower to this, so we call it a lower high. Okay, we have another low here. Now this high here gets violated. Okay, it gets violated, but we are not going to use it as a change of character. Why? Because this is a 30-minute time frame. If you want to see a good change of character, go to your higher time frame. Higher time frames like 1 hour or the 4 hour. Okay, when you see a change of character there, something like this, where a high is violated, then you are having a short um, change of market direction. Okay, you are having a change of market direction. But for now, the market is in downtrend. Okay, so anywhere we see a violation, it could just be an inducement or a liquidity. Okay, so what we want to see is a mitigation to the previous resistance zone. So when we have that mitigation, we are going to go into placing our trade. We already have NZDCAD on buy limit. Okay, we already have it on buy limit. And the reason why we have a buy limit is because there's a change of character. Okay, there's a change in market direction. The market was previously on the downtrend. It was previously on the downtrend, and then it violated our recent high. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, it violated our recent high, and that is why we've placed a buy limit, because we still have a fresh support there that hasn't been mitigated. So we are waiting for the market to mitigate it and then start the upside movement. Okay. So we already have a buy limit order on the NZD CAD. What we are looking at right now is USD JPY. What we are looking at right now is the USD JPY. We have just few minutes left to end this live session. Okay. I think we have about 9 minutes left. Okay. So if you have any question pertaining to trading or how to deposit on BtcDana, you can ask me now. If you have any question at all, you can ask me, okay? While we still wait for our opportunity on USDJPY, okay? So it already mitigated an imbalance. So I'm waiting for it to mitigate our resistance, okay? But I don't want to place a sell limit since we already set a sell limit on New Zealand against Canadian dollars. So in the course of waiting, if you have any question at all pertaining to trading or how to deposit on BtcDana, please feel free to ask now. Feel free to ask, okay? So while we are waiting on USDJPY, I think we should also use the opportunity to look for another trade. Okay, let's go back to Euro USD and see what is going on. If we are getting, okay, so now we are getting a retest. The market seems to be going up. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so if you want to make a deposit, I see someone is asking, how do I deposit? Okay, so if you want to deposit in the chat room, okay, in the chat room, you will see a banner that says deposit. Just click on that banner, okay? Click on the banner and it will take you straight to where you see bank transfer. Click on the bank transfer and enter the amount you want to deposit, then proceed. Okay. So you'll be generated with account details. Account details will be generated for you. Then send the amount you've entered, send the exact amount in Naira, send it to the account detail that is generated for you, okay? So in case there's other people that still don't know how to deposit, on the chat room, you will see a banner that says deposit, okay? Deposit with benefits, okay? So click on it and proceed. Click on it and proceed. The account detail that is going to be generated for you can always be used once, okay? So after using it now, don't use it again. If you want to make another deposit, restart the process again. Okay? Go to the chat room again. On the banner that says deposit, click on it again. That is if you want to do another deposit, aside the one you want to do now. Okay? So the account that is going to be generated for you can only be used once. So if you have any other question, I have just 50, we have just 5 minutes to end this live stream session. If you have any question, or if you still don't understand how to make the deposit and you want me to make more explanation, please feel free to ask me. So on our Euro USD, the market is still retesting. The market is still retesting. You see what I told you earlier? So imagine we've entered the trade, thinking that the market is going to continue to go down because the market is selling. Imagine what could be happening now. Right now, we would have been on the losing side, okay? Because the market reversed and started going up. So this is why it's very important for you to pay attention to the market, okay? You don't want to rush. You want to take things step by step, slowly. When it comes to market, you don't want to rush. When it comes to forex trading, you don't want to rush, okay? If you've made deposit, don't forget to place the trade from earlier, the NZD-CAD. Okay, I already gave you the entry. Okay, just click on your buy and then go to pending orders. Okay, so in case you are just joining us, we have a buy limit. We have a buy limit. So go to your NZD-CAD. NZD-CAD. And set your buy limit position. So on your NZD-CAD, click on buy. Then come to pending order. Okay, come to pending order. Now, on this enterprise, click on it and enter 0.80043. Let me repeat it one more time. 0.80043. Then click on SL/TP. Click on the button in front of it. Click on the button in far right front of it. Okay, now click the plus icon. This plus icon, click on it. This is for SL, stop loss. Click on it and enter 0.79895. That is for SL, the first one. Okay, the first one here. Let me repeat it one more time. 0.79895. Then for the TP, take profit, TP, the second one. Enter 0.80689. One more time. 0.80689. Okay. So once you are done, click on buy and your buy limit is opened. Okay. So guys, we've come to the conclusion of our live session for today. Okay. So if you haven't funded your account, go and get your account funded because tomorrow is another day to make good profit. Okay. Tomorrow is another day to make good profit. And if you are still new to Forex trading, remember I said we now have two sessions. The second session is going to be around 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, that session is for you. If you don't know how to place trade on BtcDana or you don't have any experience in Forex trading, that session is for you. Do not miss it, guys. It's very important. Okay, so I'll see you guys same time tomorrow to analyze the market and place another profitable trade. Okay, make sure you deposit up to $15. Okay, when you deposit up to $15, I'm going to get you into the premium group. You don't even have to wait till the live session comes. You can start making money. Okay, because we are going to start dropping signal in the morning. The live session is around 2 p.m. You will start making money even before the 2 p.m. The 2 p.m. is just Jara. Okay, it's just Jara. So, all right, guys, we will see you tomorrow, same time. Bye, and have a lovely evening. Bye for now.